enjoy participating in the USO National Tests as they are highly informative.
Listening, I highly recommend that you participate in USO Tests as well, since not only are they a great platform to test your ability and knowledge on the subject, but scoring well can open so many doors for you in the future.
These tests also prepared me for the other competitive exams that I am likely to face in the near future.
Boosting up my confidence level and encouraged me for the future exams.
USO test is very much useful for the children, and this helps them to know about the political, social and economical issues globally.
It's a privilege to be associated with United School Organization of India.